Hello and welcome once again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing well, and today's recipe is a light and tasty dinner. It is easy and quick to prepare, and I hope you will enjoy today's recipe. Here I have half a kilo of zucchini, about 4 courgettes. I washed them and removed the tops and stems. Then I cut them into thin slices like this. They should be sliced very thin like this. I will continue until I finish all the zucchini slices. These are the zucchini slices ready to use. I add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I also add 2 cloves of grated garlic and 1 tablespoon of coriander. Then I add half a tablespoon of black pepper and salt to taste. Now I add all these ingredients together. Then I mix them well with the zucchini slices. I heat a frying pan and start adding the zucchini slices. I place the zucchini slices in the pan. They should cook lightly on both sides. Now I start turning them over. Once cooked on both sides, I remove them. I place them in a dish and continue until all are done. This quantity cooks and browns very quickly. Do not brown them too much, just enough to remove the moisture. This helps keep the recipe from becoming watery. The heat should be medium, not too low and not too high. Everything is ready in about 5 minutes. After cooking the zucchini, I take a bowl. Then I add 4 eggs. I add half a tablespoon of black pepper. Then I add 1 small spoon of salt according to taste. Now I whisk everything well until the eggs are fully mixed. I add 2 tablespoons of cheese. Then I mix everything together. Next I add 125 milliliters of milk. Now everything is ready and I can assemble the dish. I take a small amount of oil. Then I grease the mold from the sides. I place baking paper inside and grease it as well. I add a small drop of oil to it. Then I sprinkle a little cheese. Now I arrange the zucchini slices. Overlap the slices so the dish holds together after baking. This helps the recipe stay firm when served. The texture becomes nicely compact. Now I pour a little of the egg mixture over the top. About 1 or 2 large spoonfuls are enough. Then I add a little parsley. Next I add another layer of zucchini slices. Again, I add 1 or 2 spoonfuls of the egg mixture. Then a little parsley. And a little cheese. Then I add another layer of zucchini. I continue in the same way until all the zucchini is used. Now I add more of the egg mixture. This mixture contains the milk. Then I add a little parsley again, and a little cheese using any type you have available. Now I prepare the final layer. I continue the same process until everything is finished. After finishing the last layer, I add parsley on top, just like this. Then I pour the remaining mixture over everything. I add a light sprinkle of cheese on top. You can still see the cheese already mixed with the eggs. Then I sprinkle a little thyme rubbed between my hands. Now the dish is ready to go into the oven. I place it in the oven. The oven is preheated to 180 degrees. I bake it for 30 minutes and then show you the final result. This is the final result after taking it out of the oven. I let it rest for about 10 minutes before removing it from the mold. Then I place it onto a serving plate. I decorate it with a little parsley and cut a piece for you. Now you can see how it looks inside. As you can see, only the eggs remain because I removed the paper. This is the final texture and presentation of the dish. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. If you try this recipe, enjoy it with good health and comfort. See you in the next video and thank you for your support. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes in the next video.